In this session, we discuss about how to calculate equivalent weights of disproportionation reactions. First, what is the meaning of disproportionation reaction? Any substance simultaneously undergoes both oxidation and reduction. Then that reaction is called disproportionation reaction. It is one type of redox reaction. That is, one example. Here it is H3PO2 converts into PH3 and H3PO3. Here it is H3PO2, phosphorus is central atom and its oxidation number will be, here 3 hydrogen atoms are present, each hydrogen having +1 charge. Here it is 3 hydrogen atoms are present, that is 3 into +1. Here central atom is phosphorus, that is X, plus 2 into -2 equal to 0. Each oxygen atom having -2 charge, that is 2 oxygen atoms are present, that is 2 into -2 equal to 0. Plus 3 plus X minus 4 equal to 0, X minus 1 equal to 0, X equal to +1. Here it is H3PO2, phosphorus oxidation number will be +1. Okay, clear? Here it is PH3 molecule. In PH3 molecule, phosphorus oxidation number is, that is, phosphorus is central atom, that is X. Each hydrogen having +1 charge. Here it is 3 hydrogen atoms are present, that is 3 into +1 equal to 0, that is X plus 3 equal to 0, X minus 3, X equal to -3. That is, phosphorus oxidation number in PH3 molecule is -3. Okay, clear? Next, in H3PO3, phosphorus oxidation number, that is, here 3 hydrogen atoms are present, that is 3 into +1 plus 3 plus X central atom, and remaining 3 oxygen atoms are present, each oxygen atom having -2 charge. Okay, clear? Here it is +3 plus X minus 6 equal to 0, X minus 3 equal to 0, X equal to +3. That is +3 oxidation number of phosphorus in H3PO3 molecule. Here it is phosphorus oxidation number +1 to -3. Okay, changing number of electrons equal to 4. Okay, clear? Here it is +1 to +3. That is changing electrons equal to 2. Changing electrons equal to 2. Here it is, we observed +1 to -3. That is decreasing oxidation number. Decreasing oxidation number means reduction. Here it is +1 to +3. That is increasing oxidation number is called oxidation. Okay. It is called disproportionation reaction. Why it is? That is H3PO3, that is one substance that involved in both oxidation and reduction. That's why it is called disproportionation reaction. Okay, clear? Here it is, in first case, number of electrons, that is N1 equal to 4 electrons are involved for this conversion. Okay. In second case, 2 electrons are involved in H3PO2 to H3PO3. Okay, for this conversion, N2 equal to, in second case, N2 equal to number of electrons are involved equal to 2. Okay, here it is N1 equal to 4 and N2 equal to 2. Then N factor value for disproportionation reactions is equal to N1 into N2 divided by N1 plus N2. That is N1 equal to 4. Here it is N2 equal to 2. Okay, N1 equal to 4. That is 4 plus N2 equal to 2. Okay, 4 plus 2. Here it is 8 by 6. That is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the N factor value of given disproportionation reaction. Okay, clear? That is equivalent weight of H3PO2 equal to molecular weight of H3PO2 divided by N factor value. Here it is N factor value is 4 by 3. Okay, N factor value. That is molecular weight will be M, then its N factor value will be 4 by 3. Then finally, equivalent weight of H3PO2 is 3m by 4. 3m by 4. That is the equivalent weight of disproportionation reaction of H3PO2. Another example of disproportionation reaction. Here it is, second example, that is Mn2O3 gives rise to Mn plus 2 plus MnO2. Here it is Mn2O3. In Mn2O3, manganese oxidation number, that is 2 manganese atoms are present and 3 oxygen atoms are present in Mn2O3. That is each manganese is X, that is 2X plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, clear? Here it is 3 oxygen atoms. Each oxygen atom oxidation number will be minus 2, that is 3 into minus 2 equal to 0. Clear? 2x minus 6 equal to 0, 2x equal to plus 6, x equal to plus 3. Clear? Here it is. Each manganese oxidation number in Mn2O3 will be plus 3 oxidation number. Here it is plus 2 oxidation number, and here it is MnO2. Manganese is X plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to plus 4. In MnO2, manganese oxidation number will be plus 4. Okay, clear? Here it is. Two conversions are present, that is Mn2O3 gives rise to Mn plus 2 and Mn2O3 gives rise to MnO2. In first conversion, plus 3 to plus 2. That is decreasing oxidation number. Decreasing oxidation number is called reduction. Clear? In second case, plus 3 to plus 4. Increasing oxidation number. Increasing oxidation number is called oxidation. Okay, clear? That is only one substance simultaneously involved in reduction and oxidation. Then that reaction is called disproportionation reaction. Clear? Here it is plus 3 to plus 2. That is accepting of one electron. In this conversion, only one electron is involved. Okay? Here it is 2 manganese atoms are present. That's why in first case, total electrons involved in first conversion equal to 2. Okay? In first case, N1 equal to each manganese transferring of electrons in first case is equal to only 1, but Mn2O3 having 2 manganese atoms are present. That's why total electrons involved in first conversion equal to N1 equal to. Simultaneously, in second case is also only one electron will be involved in between the Mn2O3 and MnO2. Here it is plus 3, here it is plus 4. Increasing oxidation number, that is releasing of only one electron. One electron of only single manganese. But in Mn2O3, 2 manganese atoms are present. That's why total electrons involved in second case equal to 2. Clear? Here it is N1 equal to 2, here it is N2 equal to 2. N factor value for Mn2O3. Then N factor value for Mn2O3 equal to N1 into N2 divided by N1 plus N2. Here N1 equal to 2, N2 is also 2. That is 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. That is 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. N factor value for given reaction or Mn2O3 equal to only 1. And its equivalent weight. That is equivalent weight of Mn2O3 equal to molecular weight of Mn2O3 divided by N factor value. N factor value. That is molecular weight of Mn2O3 divided by 1. 1 is N factor value of Mn2O3. Coming to another example of disproportionation reaction. That is, here it is third example. That is Br2 gives rise to Br minus plus BrO3 minus. Okay, clear? In Br2 molecule, bromine oxidation number will be 0. In Br minus, bromine oxidation number will be minus 1. In BrO3 minus, bromine oxidation number. Here it is bromine X. Here it is 3 oxygen atoms are present. Each oxygen atom minus 2 oxidation number, that equal to, here it is minus 1 charge, that equal to minus 1 charge. X minus 6 equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 plus 6. X equal to plus 5. Okay, clear? In BrO3 minus, bromine oxidation number will be plus 5. Okay, clear? Here it is 2 conversions are present, that is 0 to 1 minus 1. It is first conversion, and second conversion will be 0 to plus 5. 0 to minus 1. Decreasing oxidation number is called reduction. In second conversion, 0 to plus 5. 0 to plus 5 means increasing oxidation number. Then that is called oxidation reaction. Okay. Here it is first case, here it is second case. Any substance simultaneously involved in both oxidation and reduction is called disproportionation reaction. Okay, clear? Here it is Br2 involved in disproportionation reaction. Transferring of electrons 0 to -1, that is changing electrons or accepting of electrons equal to only 1. Here it is only 1 electron is involved in first case, but in Br2 molecule 2 bromines are present. Each bromine transferring of electrons is equal to only 1. Here it is 2 bromines, that is N1 equal to 1 into 2, that equal to N1 equal to 2 electrons. That is in second case that is 0 to +5. Totally 5 electrons are involved. That is 5 electrons will be released in second conversion. 5 electrons means that is each bromine transferring of electrons or releasing of electrons equal to 5. Here it is 2 bromines are present. In second case, each bromine transferring of electrons 5 in 2 bromines means that is 2 into 5. 2 into 5 equal to 10 electrons, that is N2 equal to 10 electrons. In second case, 2 bromines transferring electrons or involving electrons equal to 10 electrons. Okay, clear? In first case, N1 equal to 2. In second case, N2 equal to 10 electrons. Okay, clear? N factor value for Br2 molecule, that is N factor equal to N1 into N2 divided by N1 plus N2. Okay, clear? Here it is N1 means that is 2. Here it is N2 means 10 divided by 2 plus 10, that is equal to 20 divided by 12, that is 10 by 6, that is 5 by 3. N factor value of Br2 molecule. Okay, clear? What is the equivalent weight of Br2 in disproportionation reaction? That is equivalent weight of Br2 molecule equal to molecular weight of Br2 divided by N factor value of Br2. Here it is molecular weight of Br2 M, then its N factor value will be 5 by 3, that is 3m by 5 is the equivalent weight of Br2 for this disproportionation reaction. Coming to another example of disproportionation reaction. Here it is fourth example, that is 3 moles of Cl2 plus 6 moles of OH minus ions to 5 moles of Cl minus plus ClO3 minus plus 3 moles of H2O. Okay, clear? Here it is. In Cl2 molecule, chlorine oxidation number will be 0. Okay. In Cl minus, chlorine oxidation number will be -1. In ClO3 minus, chlorine oxidation number. Here it is chlorine is X plus 3 into each oxygen atom. Oxidation number will be -2. That equal to, here it is -1 charge, that equal to -1. Here X minus 6 equal to -1. X equal to -1 plus 6. X equal to +5. Okay. In ClO3 minus, chlorine oxidation number will be +5. Okay. Here it is 2 conversions are present in between the chlorine atoms. Okay. That is 0 to -1. 0 to -1 means reduction. Okay. Why it is decreasing oxidation number. Decreasing oxidation number is called reduction. Increasing oxidation number is called oxidation. 0 to -1 means decreasing oxidation number is called reduction. Okay, clear? In the second conversion, 0 to +5. 0 to +5, increasing oxidation number. Increasing oxidation number is called oxidation. Okay, clear? Here it is, 2 conversions are present. Okay, that is Cl2 molecule simultaneously involved in both oxidation and reduction. Then that is disproportionation reaction. Clear? In first conversion, each chlorine atom accepting of electrons equal to only 1. That is 0 to -1. Transferring of electrons or accepting of electrons in reduction reaction equal to only 1. That is each chlorine atom transferring of electrons or accepting of electrons in first case equal to only 1 electron. But in Cl2 molecule, 2 chlorine atoms are present. That's why total electrons are involved in first case. That equal to 1 into 2. Okay, total electrons equal to 2. In first case means N1 equal to 2. Clear? In second case, each chlorine atom transferring of electrons equal to 5, that is 0 to 5. Changing electrons or releasing electrons in oxidation reaction will be 5. That is each chlorine 5 electrons are changing, that is releasing electrons. Okay, clear? Here it is, in Cl2 molecule 2 chlorine atoms are present. Each chlorine atom transferring of electrons equal to 5, but here 2 chlorine atoms are present. That's why 5 into 2, that equal to total 10 electrons are involved in second case. Second case means N2. Here second case means N2. N2 equal to 10 electrons, N1 equal to 2 electrons. Okay, clear? Here it is, N factor value for given disproportionation reaction. N factor equal to N1 into N2 divided by N1 plus N2. Okay, clear? Here it is, N1 is 2 electrons and N2 is 10 electrons. That is, N1 is 2, N2 is 10 divided by 2 plus 10. Okay, clear? Here it is 20 divided by 12, 10 divided by 6, 5 divided by 3. Okay, N factor value of Cl2 in disproportionation reaction equal to 5 by 3. Its equivalent weight of Cl2 in disproportionation reaction equal to molecular weight of Cl2 divided by N factor value. N factor value. Here it is, molecular weight of Cl2 almost 71, that is 35.5 plus 35.5, that is molecular weight, and N factor value will be 5 by 3. Okay, if molecular weight of Cl2 is m, then its N factor value will be 5 by 3, then 3m by 5 is the equivalent weight of given disproportionation reaction. Okay, clear?